What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back. I'm doing a little sequel, if you will, on how to start a digital business online with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is going to be the next part. I'm going to put the link below for the previous video so you can kind of follow along and go through each one and kind of see where I'm going with this. All right, so I want to show you how you can start a digital business online using affiliate marketing. Okay, other people's products, they've done all the work for us. They've created the products, they have the website, they have support. Okay, they have everything set up for us. All we need to do is promote our affiliate link that they give us. And of course, most people don't know how to do that, so they're going to teach you how to do that. You're going to learn while you earn, okay? And you're going to do this at your own pace. There's no race, okay? You're going to find one method that you like. You're going to do that method over and over until you get some results, okay? So even though you have access to the training, all this training you're going to get, don't overwhelm yourself. Pace yourself. We're going to have a conversation once you get started. I want to figure out which method is going to work better for you. And we're going to have a daily method of operation on how you're going to do this with a marketing plan. Okay. All right. So let's go through it. So today what we're going to cover is the next level, G500. Okay. As I stated, this is a digital business. So the digital products are already here. Okay, so we're going to use this vehicle that we have to promote to others, and when they purchase, we get a commission. Okay, so let's go take a look at that G500 level product. Okay, hang on. Okay, so you're going to have a membership. Okay, with the membership, it includes the tools and education you need to thrive in today's climate. Okay, and they show you how to market your business, offer, or service on most social media platforms. All right, so with the memberships, we have the membership levels. So today we're going to talk about our more advanced level. We're going to focus on the G500. Okay, you can start any way you want, but this video is on the G500. This is what I like to call my high ticket, more advanced. So with this one, you're able to make $500 commissions, guys. Okay, that is powerful. 500 bucks over and over and over again. All right, so if you want to get it started at the top, you can do that too, but we'll get to those. But we're talking G500 today. So the G500 product is 500 plus your 199. Okay, because you're going to have your reseller's license. That's what you're getting here. You get your membership, $199 a year, kind of like a real estate license. You're going to renew your license every year so that you can resell this product. Okay, continue to resell the product and make the commissions. All right, so that's what it will cost you to get this product. Now, mind you, when you get the G500, you also will receive the G250 and the G100. So that's 3 levels of income. All right, so let's get into the G500. Okay, what I've done is I've logged into my dashboard, my members area, which you'll have access to yours as well. You can see I'm a G1000 member, and it says right here qualified. That means that I've already passed up my $1,000 first sale. Okay, so I can make $1,000 commissions, $500 commissions, $250 commissions, and $100. Okay, and even if somebody comes and purchases the G2000, I still will make $1,000. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm already in here, and I'm going to go over here to the library. As you can see here, these are the products I purchased, because you'll see the key is unlocked. All right, so we're going to click G500, and I'm just going to kind of thumb through these because I want you to see what you're going to get. All right, before I get here, let me show you something else real quick. I want to show you this one for this screen first. G500, the third product package, is the beginning of our advanced levels. See right here, here are the subjects. Okay, the true cause of all achievement, the power of core desires, smart wealth building, the conquering force within you, how to make 100K in MLM or network marketing, plus the power of subconscious mind, Bitcoin profit secrets, how to use webinars for your business, the wealth creation blueprint, push button podcasting, free business building videos, and the power of focus. Okay, so that's what that G500 is going to include. The information and skills taught in the G500 package are worth thousands of dollars. Implement these teachings in your life and see what can happen. So it kind of gives you a highlight of that, right? So I'm going to show you in the back office. We're going to just kind of drill it down a little bit so you can see really what's included. These products, they feature the best-selling author and trainer to many Fortune 500 companies, Jack Zufelt. Okay, so let's go check it out. Okay, what I'm going to do is just click on the view descriptions because there's 23 products. Okay, 23 modules if that's what you want to call it. But right here you see this red buttons. That's where you can download, okay, these products if you so choose to do that. Okay, so let's click here. The true cause of all achievement, product 1. Look at here. Okay, how to use the conquering force within you to achieve your dreams and goals. So it's a live video recording. Okay, that's what's in that one. The true cause of achievement. Let's check it out. How to use the conquering force within you to achieve your dreams and goals. Okay, so that's what they all say, it looks like. All right, so let's just take a look. In the video, Jack shares the blueprint of true cause for the success in the areas of your life. That's that one, the power of desires. All right, smart wealth building with joint ventures. Okay, I'm just going to thumb through them. Yeah, they all have the same title, it looks like. I looked at a few of these, but I didn't remember the titles. The conquering force for your financial life. Okay. Let's see. There's 2 parts. Let's see. The conquering force within you. Actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, 8 parts to the conquering force within you. Okay. And you can see, let's look at this one. This is number 8. Yes. This one is the spiritual awareness. Okay, so there's 8 parts to that one. The next one is how to make 100K plus in MLM. That's number 13. Crucial paradigm for making a lot of money in network marketing. It's not what you think. Okay, so that's a great training right there. And with that one, there's 4 parts. How to make 100K plus in MLM. There's 4 parts to that one. Then the next one is the power of the subconscious mind. Okay, and here's all the topics that's going to be covered. It's a plethora of training, guys, you get. Again, do not get overwhelmed with all this. We're just going to take one step at a time. All right, and then we have Bitcoin profit secrets and topics covered regarding Bitcoin. Quite a bit of training on that as well. That's a hot niche to be in right now as well. Free business building tools. This is a 20-part video tutorial that teaches you how to use free online tools and software to build your very own niche websites that bring in leads and sales for your business. That's another great training, guys. Okay, it's all a part of the G500. Okay, how to use webinars for your business. Very popular. I get on quite a bit of webinars. Even for our training, we get on webinars. But there are so many ways you can use webinars to pull in leads. Wealth creation blueprint. With this 50-part video course, you will learn the strategies and tactics of investing in 3 investment vehicles: gold, silver, business, and property. 50 video course, guys. This is awesome. Push button podcasting. You know, a lot of people are doing podcasting nowadays, so this will show you how to do that. This is product number 22. Blog Talk Radio is a platform that will allow you to get started podcasting with little to no investment. No fancy equipment or technical know-how. So they talk about that, and there's 23-part video course on podcasting. Okay. All right, and the last one is the power of focus. We live in a wonderful time where all the world's knowledge and entertainment can be accessed with a tap of the phone. So you want to concentrate and focus your attention on the task at hand in the key to burning through your goals. So they teach you all the strategies on how to do that. Now, each membership, guys, doesn't matter which level you come in at, all membership levels include the capture pages, a personal bridge page, built-in autoresponder. Everything is a business in a box with this, okay? So you don't have to look for an external system. That's what they're saying. It's all included. The autoresponder, weekly webinars and webinar library, CRM, statistics, so you can kind of see what your capture pages are doing, what people are clicking on, what the stats are, tracking codes. You can link Aweber and get response up to this system, okay, if you so choose to do that. And then you have your dashboard, was just in, and I showed you my back office, and they have support, so you don't have to worry about any of these things again, because you don't own the company. Your job is just to promote your page, okay? So all this is included. So customer support will handle customer support issues. That's not your concern. So this is all included, okay? Now, one other thing I want to point out right here, which what they state right here. These levels include the educational training from the lower price packages, which amounts to a stunning library of content from which to develop not only your business, but your personal and professional business. The only difference in the membership level is the amount of education content, marketing, and training materials. Okay. So now, if you decide you want to upgrade, all you would do is pay the difference, and then whatever that membership fee is. And we'll go look at that real quick. I want to show you that. If you decide to upgrade, so if you came in at the 500, you purchased the G500, and you decide, well, hey, I want to go ahead and get that G1000, you would pay the difference. You would send 500 to me, and you would pay the company $299 for the G1000 membership. Okay, and so forth with the other memberships. All right, so that's the G500 product. This is a great vehicle that you can use to start your digital business. The products are already here. We don't have to reinvent anything. We don't have to create anything. I don't need to go create a website, any of that. They've done all that for us. Okay, so every time you sell the G500, you will make $500 commissions. Okay, and you're paid instantly, guys. As soon as someone goes to your page, your affiliate page that you're given that's coded to you, they're going to pay you directly any way you want. Doesn't matter how you want to get paid. Cash App, Venmo, Stripe, whatever it is. You will determine that in your back office. Okay. Now, they have what they call the 1-up. So, as it states right here, here's a prime example. G500 member can only purchase the G500 package and only earn commissions up to that level. Your maximum commission would be 500. So, if you came in at the G500 and someone purchases the G1000, you would make 500. Okay, and you only have to pass up one sale. Right here, as they tell you, you only ever pass up one member regardless of your level. So, for example, I'll use me. As I stated earlier, I'm a G1000. So, before I got the G1000 sale, you know, folks would sign up. They would buy the 100, 250, or 500. I could sell those over and over and over and never have to pass them up. But as soon as someone wanted the G1000, that first G1000 passes up. So that's why you see that I'm already qualified, because that 1000 has already passed up. Okay, so that's what I call a fair comp plan. So also you never lose the whole sale. Okay, so if you're the G500 again and somebody comes at the G1000, you still will pocket 500. Okay, so it's awesome, and I think it's very fair in that aspect. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you purchase the G500 product or the G1000, I will send a text blast on your behalf. Look forward to working with you. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.